佢嗰度咧就係 Hogan and West manage 嘅，咁佢哋handle 嘛，我冇入過去嗰陣時，佢 handle 嘅時候，我冇入過去。
Well, because that was handled or managed by Hogan and West, so they were managing it. So therefore, at that time, I did not go in there.
The agreement I have between you and Hogan and West indicates that you hired Hogan and West in 2020. Does that sound right?
嗱，即係你同 Hogan and West 之間嘅協議咧，上面寫就係你喺2020年就聘用 Hogan and West 嘅，啱嘛？
我唔記得啦，喺嗰度有寫，咁應該有咁樣嘅。
I don't remember if that's what is written, then that's what it should be. I don't remember.
Do you know who was managing the property before Hogan and West was managing it?
咁你知唔知道 Hogan and West 管理呢個物業之前係邊一個管理嘅咧
Mary
Tam?
Mary Tam 啊？
係。
Yes.
Stepmother?
即係你嘅繼母。
係。
Yes.
Did you have any concerns with the way that Mary Tam was managing the property?
咁關於 Mary Tam 去管理呢個物業嘅方式，咁你有冇覺得有關注咧？No.
Did you ever inquire with Mary Tam how she was managing the property?
咁你曾經有冇問過 Mary Tam 佢係點樣管理呢個物業嘅咧？No.
Did you ever inquire how much rent the property was receiving?
咁你曾經有冇問過呢一個物業咧係有幾多收入嘅咧？佢租金幾多嘅咧？No.
Did you ever inquire about any problems that there were at the property?
咁你曾經有冇問過喺呢個物業有冇任何嘅問題嘅咧？No.
Did Mary Tam ever tell you about any problems with that property?
Mary Tam 曾經有冇話過俾你知關於呢個物業嘅問題咧？No.
Do you have an understanding of what type of property 735 to 739 Clay Street is?
咁你有冇任何嘅理解咧？呢個735到739 Clay Street 呢個物業係邊一種類嘅物業咧？
一座 building 樓下係 commercial， 上面係 residential。
It's a building. The bottom is commercial, and the upper levels are residential.
Do you know how many units there were at that building?
咁你知唔知道呢一棟樓一共有幾多個單位咧？
上面一個單位，下邊一個 commercial。
On the upper level, 1 unit, and then bottom level, 1 commercial.
Do you know how many levels that building was?
咁你知唔知道嗰棟樓一共有幾多層啊
？3層。
3 levels.
So what was at the top level?
咁最高一層係乜嘢啊？
佢嗰個 residential 係2樓3樓同埋一個 unit 嘅，2樓3樓同一齊。
What that residential unit on the top is 1 unit with upper and lower floors.
Do you know how many bedrooms there were?
咁你知唔知道嗰度有幾多個睡房咧？
幾多
？Don't remember.
Do you know how many bathrooms there were?
知唔知道有幾多個廁所啊？
唔記得。
Don't remember.
Do you know how many kitchens there were?
知唔知道有幾多個廚房？
唔記得。
Don't remember.
Did you know at one point how many there were?
咁你曾經喺某一段時間你係知道有幾多嘅？
嗰個 tenant 搬咗出去之後啦，我所知道 就搬咗出去之後啦，就有我有一個，2樓我有一個。
After the tenants moved out later on, there was one on the very top and one on the second level.
But you never went inside the units and didn't know how many there were until the tenants moved out. Is that fair?
即係咁，就係即係你直到啲租客搬走咗之前咧，你係曾經冇入過去呢個單位嘅，可唔可以咁講咧？
冇入過。
I have not been in there before.
What duties and responsibilities were there with respect to managing the property on Clay Street, if you know?
即係如果你知道嘅話，關於Clay Street 呢個物業管理咧，咁係有乜嘢嘅職責同埋責任嘅咧？
呢個Hogan and West take care 同埋之前Mary take care。
Well, this is being taken care of by Hogan and West now, and prior to that, it was Mary who took care of it.
But did you have an understanding of what duties and responsibilities there were to manage the property?
咁但係你自己即係要管理呢個物業咧，咁按照你嘅理解係有邊一啲嘅職責或者責任嘅咧？
唔知道。
I don't know.
Did you have an understanding of what, if any, employees there were to help manage the property besides Mary and Hogan and Best?
嗱，咁你有冇任何嘅理解咧？即係除咗Hogan and Best 同埋 Mary 之外咧，咁你知唔知道有冇任何嘅員工有去參與管理嘅？
唔知道。
I don't know.
Did you believe that you had any duty or responsibility with respect to this property?
咁你形容你自己關於呢個物業咧，你係有任何嘅責任嘅或者職責嘅？
我所知道就係Hogan and West去管理佢，同埋之前係Mary 管理佢，係咁咯。
I only know that it's Hogan and West who's managing it now, and prior to that, it was Mary who was managing. That's it.
Did you believe you had any responsibility with respect to this property?
嗱，你形容你關於呢一個物業，你自己有冇任何嘅責任咧？
我冇理到。
I did not get involved with this. I did not take care of it.
But did you have an understanding of whether you were responsible for the property at all?
咁你有冇任何嘅理解咧？關於呢個物業，你係有任何嘅責任嘅？
唔知道。
I don't know.
Have you ever taken any courses in real estate law?
你曾經有冇上過任何嘅房地產法律嘅課程咧？
冇。
No.
Have you read any books on real estate law?
你曾經有冇讀過任何一啲關於房地產法律嘅書咧
No.
No.
Are you familiar with the laws and obligations of landlords in San Francisco?
咁關於三藩市業主嘅責任咧，咁你熟唔熟悉㗎？
唔係咁熟悉。
I'm not really familiar.
Are you familiar with the rent control laws in San Francisco?
咁樣三藩市嘅租金管制咧，你熟唔熟悉咧？
我聽講過，我聽講過。
I have heard of it.
But do you have an understanding of what it is?
但你有冇任何理解係乜嘢嚟嘅咧？
我好似每年能夠起租金幾多佢有一個 percentage 能夠起幾多咁嘅，好似係。
I think it's the yearly rent increase cannot exceed a certain percentage. I think.
Where do you think you learned that?
咁你認為呢樣嘢喺邊度學翻嚟嘅？
我都唔記得。
I don't even remember.
Are you familiar with the eviction laws in San Francisco?
咁喺三藩市驅逐租客嘅法律，你熟唔熟悉咧？
唔熟悉。
Not familiar.
Are you familiar with the tenant harassment laws in San Francisco?
咁喺三藩市嘅騷擾租客嘅法律，你熟唔熟悉咧？
唔熟悉㗎，點樣騷擾啊？我都唔見，我好少同嗰啲租客咩入見面或者點咩叫 harassment 咯。
I'm not familiar. I don't even have any contact with the tenants, so I don't understand what that means by tenant harassment.
Do you have an understanding of what the term habitability means?
即係咁，你知唔知道呢一個字咧 habit
I can't say it either.
講話可住人嘅係咩意思？知唔知啊？
唔知道。
I don't know.
Do you know what the laws in San Francisco are regarding subletting and assignment of a residential tenancy?
咁你知唔知道咧？三藩市嘅法律係關於分租或者係轉讓租約嘅法律咧？
唔知道。
I don't know.
Are you familiar with what the requirements are for a landlord to enter a tenant's unit in San Francisco?
咁你知唔知道咧？三藩市如果要進入租客嘅個住宅咧，係有乜嘢嘅規則嘅？你知嘛？你熟唔熟悉啊？
唔係好熟悉。
I'm not very familiar.
但係通常嚟講 ，management 同佢哋接觸嘅 management。
Generally, it's the management company who have contact with them.
You've never had any contact with any of your tenants?
咁你從來係冇同你任何嘅租客有任何嘅接觸嘅。
Clay 街上面嗰個租客我冇見過佢，我唔知道。
Clay 街上面點樣話？講多次。
上面嗰啲租客我唔知道係邊個嚟，我冇接觸過。
I have never had contact with the tenants at Clay Street. I have never had contact with them.
Do you have an understanding that as the owner of a rental property in San Francisco, you're considered a landlord?
咁你知唔知道？即係你喺三藩市，你係擁有一棟樓，咁你就係被視為係一個業主。
係。
Yes, I understand that.